So welcome to Material Monday. So today I am going to show you how I created this piece. We have a sea grape leaf that I have harvested from my garden, and in the center we have a woven piece. So I've woven onto the leaf, and then I've decorated around the edge with my wood burning tool, and it's created a really nice effect on the leaf. So I really like how it turned out. So in this video I will be showing you how I created the whole thing and the burning around the leaf. So I hope you enjoy. And yeah, I think it turned out really lovely. So I've got to get myself some frames so that I can display them nicely, and I'm going to be doing this technique on a few other leaves. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you even try it yourself. So let's go and see how this was created. So how was that? Okay, so take care for now, and I will see you again soon.